The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 27, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Clark, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie, Jasper, Madison, Marion, Polk, Story, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National...
Please stand by.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning. Southwestern Lucas County in south central Iowa, northeastern Decatur County in south central Iowa, northwestern Wayne County in south central Iowa, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Leon, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Lucas, northeastern Decatur, and northwestern Wayne counties, including the following locations: Garden Grove, Derby, Decatur City, Umeston, Millerton, Leroy, and Sheraton Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 13 and 14. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Decatur, Lucas, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, central Jasper County in central Iowa, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Mitchellville, or 8 miles east of Altoona, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Colfax around 5:40 p.m. Newton and Iowa Speedway around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Rock Creek Lake. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 151 and 176. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Jasper, and Marshall.